Some interest in how this NEMA 34 motor mount fits onto the end of this table. As you can see, this is a typical thrust bearing right here. It's just turned around what I would call backwards. Normally this stub would go inside. This is the exact same bearing right here, but the stub is on the inside. Now I've machined pockets for these so I can get my pulley in a little bit closer. And also this thick plate was there because the bearing won't fit inside the existing hole. But back to this motor mount. I machined pockets to fit these into. I went to a lot of trouble to keep my center lines nice and straight and original. But the 4 bolts are out that would normally hold this in. So let me grab the motor mount and I'll show you how this works. When you get the motor mount, these 4 holes you're looking at are actually threaded and they're not drilled all the way through. All you have to do is put them on a mill and drill them all the way through. And a 1032 screw fits right through them. That's what I used. You could use metric if you want to. But it's a very well machined motor mount. This has already got the pilot and everything and the bolt hole circle for a NEMA 34. You can get these in 6 different sizes. So if you're not using a 34, that's fine. The way this works is this just slips on. And it's a very precise fit. I'm trying to do it one-handed here with camera, and the hand's a little hard to do. That's how nice it fits. Then you just put your 4 bolts in, and you're done. And then mount your motor up on the end. That's all there is to it. So I took it apart so I could make this little video. But that's how she works, and it's very sturdy. And then I've got this mounting surface here. I'm going to put some spacers and then make a little table out here for a little tool table, and also have some holes across the back to hold some tools. So that's all there is to it.